crack in your windshield? Well, there is some good news. A crack or chipped windshield doesn't necessarily mean that you need to get a whole new one.
But you don't want to drive around with that thing. You'll want to get it fixed as soon as possible.
So you're going to want to call your agent and check your coverage. File your claim through the Erie's Erie Glass program,
And you can even do it on our mobile app.
There's a lot of flowers in here.
When scheduling your repair, Erie customers always have a choice. We can search online for an in-shop repair or something more convenient by having a company come to you. Whatever makes you feel the most comfortable.
This is not comfortable. And who are we looking at?
and once it's all patched up, you're back safely on the road. For other questions about the claims process or your insurance coverage, just check out our blog on erieinsurance.com.
Can I leave now?